Cyanobacteria is a nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live in moist soils and water. Due to its blue color, it's also called blue-green algae. It is usually non-toxic, but some forms are toxic and very deadly. Water sources throughout the world are increasingly polluted with fertilizer runoff, which provides the nutrients for this blue-green algae to grow in abundance. There is a treatment called dialysis, which puts human blood in direct contact with up to 100 gallons of water a week, and this water sometimes contains toxins from blue-green algae. People also eat a type of blue-green algae called spirulina as a health food additive and claim that it is a miracle treatment from everything, from Alzheimer's disease to leukemia. That might cause problems because potentially deadly algae and non-toxic algae are virtually indistinguishable except through sophisticated biochemical testing. 69 dialysis patients have died after undergoing treatment with contaminated water. More than 100 patients reported visual disturbances, nausea, and vomiting. Within days, many died due to liver problems. Families in parts of China where blue-green algae contamination of water is common show high rates of liver cancer. Chlorine treatment of water caused toxins to break down and spread, which made it more dangerous. There is no antidote. This doesn't just affect humans though. Cyanobacteria kills domestic animals, pets, fish, and wildlife that drink or are exposed to contaminated water. It is especially dangerous to marine life like fish. It causes entire populations to leave an area or even die. Marine life populations have reduced by 50% since 1970, and cyanobacteria contributes to this, along with climate change, overfishing, and other factors. Since fertilizers contribute to the growth of cyanobacteria, we recommend using manure and organic farming practices instead. Nitrogen-fixing plants can also be used in agriculture. If you do still want to use fertilizers, use only the recommended amounts. If you want to know what to do when you're exposed to cyanobacteria, check out the first link in the description. Check out the top 10 ways to prevent the growth of harmful algae in the second link in the description.